Okay, in this tutorial we're going to learn about Commvault user groups. And then under security, you're going to click on CommCell user groups. So in order to create a group, you can either click on new user group in the function or the tab here or the area here, or you can just right click on it, new user group. So we created the domain admin group. I'm just going to click the members. I'm going to put in that membership group. I'm going to put Commvault user in that group and the admin individual admin user in that group, and associated entities, nothing, search, additional settings, nothing, and then click on general. So what do we got here? We got I'm enabling the group. I'm not putting a password in the group, and I'm going to push OK. So that concludes the tutorial on creating groups in Commvault.